So an eviction can have numerous negative aspects to it, both on the landlord and the tenant side. For tenants, it's going to be a public record. There's going to be a record forever that you have been evicted, or at least were attempted to be evicted. Now, when you go to move to your next place, if you're renting, you're going to have to fill out a rental application, run a background check, credit score screening, maybe some other things. This is going to come up in that report, and landlords potentially will use that as a basis to rent their place to a different person. Now, it could also affect your credit score depending on the judgment that's rendered. If a tenant is working for a government or a military defense company, they require certain credentials. The civil judgment against you could hurt your ability to get certain security clearances or may affect the security clearance you already have if you're working in one of those industries. Now, on the landlord side, you file an eviction against a tenant, you now have a very adverse relationship with a person who is living in your house. So, does it increase the chances that the tenant will damage your house? Possibly. There could be damages left behind. There could be damages purposely committed to your house. I mean, you're going to lose rent. You're going to have attorney's fees, court costs. So, yes, it does hurt both the tenant and the landlord, although a little bit differently. It could have adverse effects on both parties.